Huh?
Okay.
Yeah. So you can see.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this yesterday we have discussed, even with Dr. Shobana also we have discussed this. There are specific visits which are planned, and what has to be done in these visits is also planned. Okay. At the same time, how much work we will do, we should get that amount percentage with the deal. Okay. So now today we are discussing how exactly we are going to do it, the flow. Fine.
Yes, yes.
If you will search OTAB, okay, OTAB NABH, you will find this on YouTube also. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So I'm running a video now. You can see that.
Yes.
Voice is there.
No.
Voice is not there. You can see this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You can see this now.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
these are
Voice
the
is not there.
voice is not there. That's fine. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what we are doing is we have these three important things which we do. Okay. One is we execute NABH. In that we have entry level and main NABH. Then we have international accreditation JCI. Okay. Even we also do CE and ISO for very few companies. Major is NABH and JCI. Okay. And the option is NABH to start with, so from zero, and we have renewal. So both are the options. Some hospitals may be already accredited, so we can propose them. Renewal can be done with us. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we have affiliation with USHLBE, United States Higher Learning Board for Education, and whichever staff we train, whoever we train. So you are also getting trained now, right?
Yes.
So you will get a certificate. So only after you will complete the assessment, which will be there on our TrainHorse app. Okay. So have you downloaded the TrainHorse app?
Yes, sir.
Shobana has downloaded. I think Deepa, I have not sent you a link, right?
No, I have not downloaded. So I will download now today.
Perfect. And then these things we can do conventionally with papers, printing and all, or we also have a MARC automated paperless management application. So every SOP will be uploaded on this app. So for example, there is a hospital known as XYZ hospital. So there will be a link created, www.marc.xyzhospital.com, something like that. Okay. So it will be hospitals personalized online access, where they can access and upload all the documents. Fine.
Okay.
So this is what is the traction which we have created since last 2 years. We have more than 200 hospitals now. Yeah. So these are the time frames which we are looking for. Okay.
Okay.
So ENABH we finish through OTAB method. Now OTAB is kind of a method where remotely hospital is fine कि आप online data भेज दो and we have a person he will do that, right? So training will happen on the app and they will execute. If they have some queries and all, then we'll resolve that and we will apply online. So we may not visit. That method is known as OTAB method. So we finish that in 3 months. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
tab only tab is kind of train horse accreditation box, right? As you know,
Okay.
we send them pre-printed registers, signages, and SOPs. Okay, all pre-printed formats with their hospital's logo and all. We charge 50,000 rupees and they will take care of other things and we will help them for application and all other things. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, so this timeline is for establishment of system. Now, what is that system? That system is we will print the documents. In documents, there are SOPs, forms, formats, registers, signages, training records. These all we will create. Okay. That's what is known as documentation. Additionally, we will suggest some things to doctors, like in OT, they have to have epoxy coating and walls should have polyurethane coating. These are suggestions which will follow with them. Ki, sir, what happened? Have you done that? And licenses. We will see licenses. Licenses is also responsibility of the hospital. We will tell them, sir, these licenses are required. Let us review that. If there is some license which is near renewal or some license is not available, we have to tell them with a documented process. So we have a mechanism or we have a policy. Whatever we do in the hospital, what we do is we fold the paper, A4 size paper in the middle. On the left side, we will write what we have done today. And on the right side, we will write what we are expecting from you and when. And we take signature. We take signature of the authority. Yes, we have received these suggestions and understood, and they have to sign it off. That record we should keep with us. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll go on next level now. Okay. Now, previously, what used to happen before Corona? Before Corona, our representatives will go to the hospital every alternate day or weekly twice or thrice, and then they'll train them. Now that part is completely dismantled. Understand?
Okay.
So what we have to tell them is the day one, we have this app. We will train you both how to motivate them to download the app. Okay. Once they will download the app, we have to train them on app how to go on various trainings and how to go on various assessments.
Okay.
So we need not to train them on all the topics, though we will be knowing all the trainings. That's not a problem. Okay. But we will tell them you go online and finish these assessments within 3 months.
Okay.
And that will reduce our time. Understand? That will reduce our time and increase our profit. So our major job actually would be to train them on 10 SOPs. There are 10 SOPs, right? SOP manuals, access assessment. So I'll explain that.
10 chapters.
10 chapters. We have the pre-printed chapters will be received by the hospital.
Okay.
Now to customize these things, our job is important. So day
Hmm.
2 or day 3 or visit second or third, we will give, we will send you the
Printed
correction
copy.
correction format. Okay,
Hmm.
correction format, so that we should discuss with concerned nurse, doctor, or whoever it is, right? So for example, there is one chapter where we have to develop all the committees.
Okay.
Now every hospital will have a different names and different designations of the committees, so we have to talk to their quality manager and define the committees.
Okay.
The moment you will write these committees and will send it across to us, we will edit that document here. We are going to do this. So this will happen through central office. Why?
Okay.
Your time of editing will be saved. Got it? And meanwhile, you also should get trained on editing also. So you will understand how to edit and all. Okay. So tomorrow, if at high end hour, you have to edit few things, how to edit that. Okay. So
Okay.
ideally, you are going to receive all the documents pre-printed with hospital logo. Your job is to train the people on these all documents in their language. Okay. So we'll be sending it in English, for example. Then we have to, if Deepa is training, probably Deepa should choose Hindi language because people will understand them. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. And if Shobana is going to Mumbai or Pune, then it has to be mixed of Hindi, Marathi. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is how we are going to set the system. तो ये जो स्लाइड का वैल्यू था कि जो छोटे छोटे ट्रेनिंग है ना, बाकी के काफी सारे ट्रेनिंग्स तो will be available online, right?
Okay. Okay.
So the advantage is you can take help of these training itself. ये शुरू कर दो, सबको बोलो ये आप शुरू करो, and you can refer these trainings to train them. Okay, that is one of the advantage. Next is okay. So this is day 1. When we do agreement, we have to do gap analysis.
Yes.
Okay. In gap analysis, if you see, if you focus where the gap would be, obviously, as far as document management system, उनके पास कोई भी document नहीं होता है.
Okay.
Right? कोई भी process नहीं होती है, written process नहीं होती है. Right? Records की तरफ से, yes, they have admission register, discharge register, autoclave register, ये होते हैं. Right? तो
Yes, right.
हाँ, तो gap analysis
Documentation is not there.
Yeah. Basic percent of the documents are not available, जो हम customize करके उनको देंगे. Okay. तो gap analysis is एक मिनट. Gap analysis का हमारे पास एक typical format है, simple format है. Okay. So that doesn't mean that every clause we have to read and we have to go by every clause. We have done a thorough research on it, and a simple 3 to 4 pages का gap analysis, tick cross कर दिया, so we know क्या है क्या नहीं है. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So logically, first visit का मतलब है 4 days. First session, what we'll say that, right? 4 days. So it may happen you may go weekly once, it may happen you may go monthly twice, or it may happen you will go on the go 4 continuous days. Right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these 4 days, our target is to customize all the documents.
Okay, sir.
Our target is, we know the gap, we have to talk to people, develop committees. If there are some changes in the flow, scope of the hospital might change, some hospital may not have gynec obs, some hospital may have gynec obs. So scope should be defined, and there are only 3 major documents which need major changes. One is your AAC, access, assessment and care of patient. Everywhere it is different. Second is quality manual. Quality manual हर hospital का अलग अलग होगा, right? Okay, and third is your management of medication.
MOM.
Okay.
Management of medication में every hospital has different approach to manage the medications. Okay, and fourth is facility management.
Okay.
These
Yeah,
four
facility would be different.
हाँ facility management अलग अलग होगा.
Yes.
For example in the ये 4 में अलग अलग होगा. अभी बाकी के जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स है जैसे सेफ्टी मैनुअल सब हॉस्पिटल के लिए कंपलसरी वही करना है. देयर इज नो चेंज, राइट? तो जैसे सेफ्टी मैनुअल है आपका, COP है, केयर ऑफ पेशेंट्स, इट इज आल्सो सेम. It can't be there is a perfect guidance to manage the patients. It has to go at that level. Okay. Then your reagent and store management, that will never change because और drug का stock कैसे रखेंगे, ये भी एक typical system है that has to be followed. तो वो जो भी process follow कर रहे हैं उसमें कितना modification important है वो करके हमारी level पे उनको लेके आना है. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But first session में तो हम क्या करेंगे, we are going to develop the documents. तो हमें information क्या चाहिए उनसे, हमारे document के against वो क्या कर रहे हैं, हमारे document के against वो क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं, जो नहीं कर रहे हैं वो important है क्या, right? अगर important है तो उनको करने के लिए
वो गैप एनालिसिस में आएगा ना?
हाँ, गैप एनालिसिस में, कस्टमाइजेशन के वक्त आएगा. गैप एनालिसिस तो हमें पता चल गया, ग्रॉस गैप एनालिसिस. हर डॉक्यूमेंट को हम रीड करके उनके साथ डिस्कस करके कस्टमाइज करेंगे. तो कोई नर्स बोलेगी हाँ ये तो हम नहीं करते हैं, तो उनको कहना है कि ये आपको करना है. अब जैसे हाँ, फॉर एग्जांपल किसी हॉस्पिटल में ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट है ही नहीं.
अच्छा, ओके.
लेकिन हमारी SOP में तो लिखा हुआ है HR डिपार्टमेंट.
हाँ सर.
तो कस्टमाइजेशन में क्या आएगा, दी ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट इज डन बाय एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन डिपार्टमेंट.
ओके.
और हॉस्पिटल को बोलना है एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर को, भैया आप एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर नहीं हो, पूछा तो आप कौन हो, तो आप HR भी हो. तो दिस इज व्हाट इज नोन एज कस्टमाइजेशन. अदरवाइज होता क्या है, इफ ऑडिटर विल आस्क हु इज HR, तो सब एक दूसरे की तरफ देखने लगते हैं. And then that becomes a non-conforming कि आपके पास HR डिपार्टमेंट है ही नहीं.
ओके सर.
फिर ट्रेनिंग का प्रॉब्लम आता है, तो ट्रेनिंग कौन अरेंज करता है, फिर एक दूसरे की तरफ देखने लगते हैं. तो दिस इज व्हाट इज कस्टमाइजेशन. अंडरस्टैंड?
ओके सर.
राइट.
यस. First 4 days में you have customized all the documents, then you will send that data to us, to central office. Okay? और जो भी हमारा email होगा, एक common email पे आएगा वो. Okay? Then we will take 4 days.
Okay.
We will take 4 days to edit that documents. Okay? Correct that documents.
Okay.
In a typical format with logo and all. बिकॉज पहले डॉक्यूमेंट में लोगो वगैरह नहीं होगा, राइट? जब हम एडिट करेंगे तो वी विल पुट लोगो ओवर देयर. ओके, और वी विल डू दैट फॉर्मेटिंग एंड ऑल, बिकॉज दैट्स अ टीडियस जॉब टू स्टार्ट विद, वेयर वी आर एक्सपर्ट नाउ, सो इट विल टेक लेस टाइम. सो 4 days में वी विल कुरियर ऑल दीज डॉक्यूमेंट्स टू द हॉस्पिटल एड्रेस.
ओके.
अंडरस्टैंड? In the file format, ready-made documents will be sent to the hospital address, and you should tell the hospital that the moment you receive this box, I will come for second session.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes sir.
Meanwhile you have gone to first hospital, then वहां का खत्म हो गया तो आप दूसरे हॉस्पिटल में काम कर रहे होंगे, तब ये हॉस्पिटल का आपको फोन आएगा, देन यू कैन अरेंज द नेक्स्ट विजिट टू द हॉस्पिटल। ओके, तो उनको कहना है कि बॉक्स को खोलना नहीं है, डोंट ओपन द बॉक्स। ओके, why? Because opening the box itself is a very good experience for doctor and quality manager, and we have to explain them what is what and where it has to be kept.
Right.
Okay, so all the files or all the SOP manuals will be in one box file. Okay, all the so we are going to send only documents, right? We are going to send only documents. So what will happen is we have to file it at the hospital, because we are not going to send a file. Box file has to be box file has to be bought by them. Okay.
Okay.
And even printing this box ki jo printing cost hai and courier cost hai, this has to be given by them as actual. Okay, anyway, we can easily convince this for doctor, and doctor is happy. He said, anyway, वो पैसा तो मुझे यहाँ पे भी लगता है, यहाँ पे print करोगे तो, right?
But that's so sorry to interrupt, but are we mentioning it in the agreement also that they will have to bear the cost of this particular box?
Yeah. Absolutely.
Material which
we are going to mention this in the agreement. So day one को ही doctor को पता होगा. और what?
ये वो जो हम लोग कॉस्ट मांगते हैं उनसे, वो कॉस्ट के अंदर नहीं आएगा ना, उसके बाहर आएगा ना?
नहीं, उसके बाहर आएगा ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज हमारे प्रॉफिट को हमें टच नहीं करना है, अदरवाइज वी विल बी नोवेयर, प्रॉब्लम होगा।
हाँ सर।
और वो डॉक्टर को समझता भी है, सिर्फ वी हैव टू कन्विंस देम, वी हैव टू टेल देम सर आपके यहाँ पे भी प्रिंट कर सकते हैं हम, लेकिन वो यूनिफॉर्म क्वालिटी वगैरह नहीं आएगा, राइट? सेंट्रल ऑफिस में जो यूनिफॉर्म क्वालिटी आएगा, डॉक्यूमेंट का पेपर का टाइप रहेगा अच्छा सा, इट लुक वेरी नाइस। ओके, और आपको बना बनाया मिल रहा है, यहाँ पे आपका प्रिंटर का प्रॉब्लम आ गया, कार्ट्रिज का प्रॉब्लम आ गया, राइट? पेपर तो वो सब नहीं रहेगा। फाइन,
ओके,
या। सो नाउ you have gone for the second session, you have opened the box. In that box what you will find? Number one, that we are going to see it. Yes, Deepa.
हाँ sir.
Read the upper first one, 5 pillars.
Register, forms and format, Apex manual, safety manual, SOP manual 10, committee meeting, employee personal file, 1 page SOP critical.
Deepa, Shobana, read roof.
Yes sir.
Read the
roof. Yes, internal audit documents, checklist, complaint management system, signages, employee induction manual, trainings with evaluations.
Understand? अब इसमें ट्रेनिंग विद इवैल्यूएशन कहाँ पे होगा? बॉक्स में मिलेगा क्या?
No.
फिर बॉक्स में क्या होगा? बॉक्स में ट्रेनिंग रिकॉर्ड का फॉर्मेट होगा, फॉर्म। तो उनको बताना है कि जैसे आप ट्रेनिंग करोगे तो आपको इस फॉर्मेट में ट्रेनिंग करना है, कि ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग हुआ, इवैल्यूएशन को प्रिंट करके आप लगा सकते हो। ओके, फ्रॉम द ऐप यू कैन प्रिंट द इवैल्यूएशन एंड पुट इट। प्लस हमारी तरफ से सर्टिफिकेट भी जाएगा, दे कैन डाउनलोड, प्रिंट एंड अटैच टू देयर ओन फाइल्स, राइट? अब ये जो है, दिस वी हैव टू आस्क डॉक्टर कि सर इसमें से आपको क्या क्या चाहिए,
ओके,
बिकॉज इट मे हैपन डॉक्टर विल से नो रजिस्टर्स हम हमारी तरफ से कर देंगे, आप हमें सिर्फ।
So then, sir, this particular thing which you are saying that we should ask the doctor, that we need to do it in the first
session only? First session, right? Agreement so में होगा ये।
Accordingly, so that accordingly we can send it to them.
तो requirement you will send it to us. Okay. Trenos accreditation box में क्या चाहिए? ये कुछ ये they can decide. तो उनको स्टाइल कैसा होगा, I'll tell you. कि आप बोलोगे कि सर ये हम यहाँ पे भी प्रिंट कर सकते हैं और आपको रेडीमेड बना के लेके आ सकते हैं विद अ वेरी वेरी नॉर्मल कॉस्ट. हम ज्यादा कॉस्ट नहीं लेते इसका, बिकॉज वी डोंट लुक प्रॉफिट हियर, वी आर डूइंग इट नो लॉस नो प्रॉफिट. Okay, just to have a uniform and quality documentation management. Okay. तो ये सारा का जो कॉस्ट है, okay, apart from our 1.5 lakhs, it will be 50,000 rupees
plus.
हाँ, तो 50,000 में से then for everything we have cost, different cost. Register का we charge in the range of 15,000 rupees. Okay. Forms and format we charge 1,000 rupees. These manuals and all we charge in the range of 1,000 rupees. ऐसे हम अलग अलग किया है. तो whatever they want they will pay us. Until they will pay,
Right.
Until they will pay, you should not send request to us. आप हमें request भेजोगे ही नहीं.
Okay.
और अदरवाइज वी विल डू इट हियर सर. ओके, उतना ही कॉस्ट आपका जाने वाला है. ठीक है, बिकॉज आप देखोगे ना यहाँ पे तो प्रिंटिंग कॉस्ट वगैरह यूजुअली इट्स इन द रेंज ऑफ 10 to 15,000 रुपीज सारा प्रिंटिंग कॉस्ट. हाँ, देन रजिस्टर्स विल बी कॉस्टिंग इन द रेंज ऑफ 20 एंड योर साइनेजेस विल बी कॉस्टिंग इन द रेंज ऑफ 20, है ना. तो डॉक्टर खुद की लेवल पे अगर करेगा तो इट विल गो इन द रेंज ऑफ 50 to 60,000 रुपीज. और हमारी लेवल पे दे आर गोइंग टू गेट इट. ऑब्वियसली हमने 50 बोला है, बट दे कैन निगोशिएट एंड वी कैन मेक इट इवन इन 40 ऑल्सो. ओके, या. एंड फ्लोर इज सेफ्टी, हॉस्पिटल इन्फेक्शन कंट्रोल, OT, सेंट्रल स्टराइल सर्विस डिपार्टमेंट, BMW मैनेजमेंट एंड क्वालिटी इंडिकेटर्स. Right, safety manual, infection control manual, OT related. There are some checklists and forms. Central sterile service department, few registers are not there. BMW management का जो ये रहता है पूरा document and signage. Okay, तो वो भी उनको मिलेगा. And then we have quality indicators का. Okay.
Okay.
So on-site expert support we are going to give them, right, through your visits. Okay, what would come in this? Number one, you are going to train them. You are going to give them examples how to conduct meetings, how to create committee meeting records. You are going to train them on safety. You are going to train them on some clinical procedures like hand wash, giving injections, how to label the IV bottle. Okay, because IV bottles are not labeled. Dose labeling कहते हैं उसको, right? So these things we'll train them. Okay, all trainings, and we'll keep the records.
Okay.
So what we do is day one, when we'll do agreement and doctor will sign off the agreement, we'll create a WhatsApp group.
Okay.
We'll create a WhatsApp group with central office representative number, then your contact number, hospital decision makers numbers, major senior nurses, okay, and quality manager. इनका सबका एक group बनाएंगे.
Okay.
And then whenever they have problem, we have to tell them 24/7 we are available on WhatsApp. Okay, so they have to just send the query if we are not reachable or something happens, we are not picking up the phone. That time you just put your query on WhatsApp and somebody will resolve. Okay.
Okay.
So this is what we mean by 24/7 remote assistance.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah. You are seeing this all?
Hi, yes, sir.
So these are the 4 fronts which will train them. Okay. Management skills means it will come in meeting management, how to resolve complaints, how to ensure everything is clean. Okay. How to ensure biomedical waste management is done properly. Then accreditation implementations means all the clauses, regulatory skills, how to maintain licenses, how to maintain the qualified staff, the doctor ratio, RMO ratio, and nurse to bed ratio, and quality improvement skills through determination of quality indicators. Are you aware of quality indicators?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Quality indicators means nothing but decide few data analysis points, and we have to keep analyzing that data so that we are improving or not improving. Simple example is one of the quality indicator can be the frequent incidence of needle injury. Okay.
Right.
So how many patients we have given injection or sample collection? Out of that, what was the percentage of needle stick injury? Okay. So this is kind of data. So we need some data. What data we need is total injections given and total sample collections are done. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So what we have, so sometime it may happen because day one hospital may not say we will require your software, but the hospitals you are visiting, where hospitals are saying no, we are already NABH accredited, we are already JCI accredited, right? That time you should say, sir, we have a very good application where your all the paperful systems can become paperless. Okay. And
Yes,
so that call will not be dead for you. Otherwise, what will happen? We had that experience. We used to visit 100 hospitals. Out of that, 20 hospitals will say we have given to somebody else. 30 hospitals will say we are already accredited. 50 hospitals will say you are out of 50, 20 will say you are very expensive, and 30 will say we are interested. Then we have to visit them again, those who are interested, right? But by application now we have 60% of the hospital where our call will not go west.
Okay, sir.
Right.
That 60% dead calls we used to have. So we have already given it to somebody else. And we are already accredited. Still we can sit, sir, I have something very different for 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Just share your number. I am sending an application card demo to you. Okay, finished. If you are interested, then call me. Then I'll detail demonstrate the application. Fine.
Okay.
So these are our central contacts. Okay. Then we have So I'll just recap now. As you know, you must be able to visualize now what exactly we have to do in the hospitals, right?
Yes, sir.
The clarity is better now comparative to yesterday, Deepa?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you should be able to visualize what I am going to do. So today I'll be sending you that steps, what has to be done on which visits. You start mugging that off. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And then start visualizing whatever you will read. You visualize what I'll go, what I'll do, how I'll do. Develop your own system on that. Okay, you should be able to visualize कि मुझे अभी कल जाना है, gap analysis में कैसे करूंगी. So from probably if you are okay, I can now we are finishing the meeting time. If you are okay,
Yes,
after 15 minutes we can have one more session. Would it be okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Shobana?
After 15 minutes, right? Okay, okay, that is fine, sir. Yeah.
You can take rest, have tea and all, and then we can start again.
Okay.
Fine?
Sure, sure.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.